everybody, welcome to my channel. And I got a new home. And so there's the couch, and there's a kitchen, and it has lots of detail, and it even has a dining chair table, another living room with a TV, and of course a bathroom with a flower in it. And the toilet was inside of that room. So I walked upstairs to explore the upstairs, and the upstairs was very good. It was quite good up here. And we stayed here for one day. And there was even another living room. And we thought we were going upstairs again, but there were two, because it was too dark. And there was a 3-bedded room where I slept in the last one. And there's even a toilet, another bedroom. So that's the end of the video. Hope you liked it. See you soon. Bye.